and here is the Samsung Odyssey G6, and we are looking at Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth and showing you a little bit of the color that it shows here. Right now you're seeing the brightness of the moon here, and you're showing the deep blacks and the shadows, which does very well. Different textures you can see. I know it's a little hard to capture the real quality off a camera, off a monitor, but I hope you can kind of see, at least kind of see the dynamics from light to dark. And here's a closer look. You can see some of the shadows and how the darker shadows are not washed out by the backlight. Usually on LCD technology, the darkest of blacks are just kind of washed out by the light, giving it like a gray color.